Yep. You don't want to take any more pigeon documentaries? Look at that guy. Yeah, he's not messing around.
You got yourself a seagull.
That's right. It's seagull time. Seagulls, like, what's up? Pigeons.
Oh, you're gonna get him run over. Sean, stop it.
He got it. There he goes.
I'm glad the people here don't believe in running over seagulls. Because that seagull would have been dead meat.
I like it. He went for it too, man. He's like, I don't care about cars. I'm just gonna take it. I'm gonna take what I want because I don't care. Just take what I want. Okay, video over.